Hi, I'm Tony with MichiganCrownMolding.com's YouTube channel, and I'm going to show you how this one tool can make you a much more accurate carpenter. Stick around. Alright, I'm going to attach this one right here. Goes on pretty easy. It's already got the pre-drilled hole. Goes back and forth. Here's a piece of crown. We're going to set the crown in there. We're going to get it nested just where it wants to be. Looking to buy a set of crown stops, there's a link in the description to our Amazon store. If you bought them from us, we would definitely appreciate it. You can see it gets nice and flat right in there. You can say, okay, that is my spot. You simply take the crown stop, put it in there, and snug it up. You get one on the other side, it does the same thing. You have two stops, one on each side, and they have to be exactly the same measurement. And I measure right here, not here or here or here. I come right to the end because they're consistent on both ends. And I take a measurement, and like this one is 2 3/8. So I make sure. You could go back and forth and you could measure these back and forth. But what we do is for every type of crown, this particular crown that I just had on the saw is a 4 1/4 OG. Very common. It's one of the most popular crown moldings that we use. And I simply made a block that fits in there, as you can see, nice and snug. So what we'll do is during the course of the day, we'll double check, because sometimes, especially if it was the next day and you put the saw away, sometimes these might get knocked. And as crucial as the crown stops are, it's 10 times as crucial that they both be perfectly aligned. And it'll make your job, it'll make installing crown molding that much easier. All right, say we're gonna do 2 outside corners. So I'm gonna set my saw at a 45. We're in there, you could just see, look how nice that is. It just holds it for you. You're not guessing where it's gonna be. You're just perfect. All right, so let's do our first outside corner. Okay, so we just used the crown stops, and let's see what we get from out of there. Just a quick little line up. Now, as you can see, it is absolutely perfect. Not one piece isn't a little longer than each other. That miter is absolutely dead nuts. And you can do that every time is if you have crown stops. All right, we'll do the inside miter now. All right, let's line these up and see what we've got. Look at that. Absolutely perfect. I mean, absolutely perfect. All right, before I forget, listen, if you came to this video and you were interested in learning how to install crown molding, please check out the video on my channel. It's called How to Install Crown Molding, and then actually installing miters. It's wonderful. It'll literally show you how to install the crown. Once you've got it cut, putting it on the wall. If you've ever tried it before, you know it can be tricky. And I show you so many tricks in that video. How to install crown molding on my YouTube channel. You'll find it. All right, crown stops will make you a better carpenter, promise. I know it made me more accurate. More accurate breeds more speed. More speed means more money. And for somebody that works for himself like I do, that's a big deal. But obviously accuracy is what we're interested in most. But anyway, it was really nice making this video. It was fun. And hopefully we see you guys on the next one.